Jee-a is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish. And in this How to Say video, we're going to learn an Irish blessing, as requested by one of our members. I'll read it whole, and then I'll go through it line by line with an English translation. Ny-ree an bóthar leat. N-éirí brawkh de chúl. Lun-ree an ghrian cheh dtite. Dtite an wah-shtukh meen de fawr-ken-na. Agus mool-ee-midg khay-la a-reesh. Gwin-ye Jee-a leat. Now let's go through that line by line with an English translation. Ny-ree an bóthar leat. May the road rise to meet you, which means may you prosper on your journey, or may your journey go well. Ny-ree an bóthar leat. N-éirí brawkh de chúl. May the wind be always at your back. N-éirí brawkh de chúl. Now you might be more familiar with saying this as raibh n-éirí brawkh de chúl. If you say raibh instead of or if you say ghaoth, that's perfectly fine. And n-éirí is perfectly fine instead of saying n-ree. Lun-ree an ghrian cheh dtite. May the sun shine warm upon your face. Lun-ree an ghrian cheh dtite. You might be more familiar with saying daig instead of die, and that's perfectly fine. Dtite an wah-shtukh meen de fawr-ken-na. May the rains fall softly upon your fields. Dtite an wah-shtukh meen de fawr-ken-na. Agus mool-ee-midg khay-la a-reesh. And until we meet again, or may we meet again, Agus mool-ee-midg khay-la a-reesh. Gwin-ye Jee-a lyat. May God hold you in the palm of his hand. Gwin-ye Jee-a lyat. Now, let's go through it one more time. I'll go through it slowly and I'll give you time to repeat each line. Ny-ree an bóthar leat. N-éirí brawkh de chúl. Lun-ree an ghrian cheh dtite. Dtite an wah-shtukh meen de fawr-ken-na. Agus mool-ee-midg khay-la a-reesh. Gwin-ye Jee-a lyat. Now I hope you enjoyed that little blessing, and I hope it's helped you learn and practice your Irish. If you'd like to learn more Irish like this, or communicate with other Irish learners, go to www.bitesize.irish, and there you can see the different learning opportunities we provide. Slán go fóill.